There is a small town called Tipa Garage. The people in this town are mixed with different tongues, tribes, and culture, living a simple lifestyle. One day, a terrible tragedy occurred that changed the reasoning of everyone in that town. This tragedy occurred on a Saturday evening when everyone was busy selling their goods. Musa, who was selling tea, bread, and fried egg, saw an unfamiliar young man resting on a motorcycle belonging to a friend and said to himself, "This man should be one of those thieves that have been stealing from us for a very long time." Musa pointed and screamed, "Thief! Thief! Thief!" He is one of those thieves that usually steal from us. Drawing the people's attention to the young man, before the young man realized what was happening, there were people gathering around him, holding wood, stick, machete. They grabbed his clothes and started beating him with the weapons in their hands without asking him a word. After much beating, they dragged him to the vigilante of the town. The young man kept begging and saying, "Please, don't kill me. I'm not a thief." These were his words. But the vigilante refused to listen. They said, "Keep quiet. You are a thief." They hit his forehead with their guns and beat him with a dark magic, leaving him to die.